p.m. At 2:02 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over St. Francis, moving northeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. This is the NOAA Weather Radio KEC 60 in Milwaukee. The current time is 2:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portion. In Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin until 2:30 p.m. At 2:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over southeastern Milwaukee, moving north at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, St. Francis, West Milwaukee, Milwaukee Hohen Bridge, Marquette University, Mayer Festival Park, and Mitchell Park Domes. People attending Summerfest in Milwaukee should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the NOAA Weather Radio KEC 60 in Milwaukee. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West